So what you're going to do, you're going to find the logo, the image, whatever that you desire. Make sure it is in black and white, or it can be all black. And you're going to want to obviously remove the background from it if it has any. And then you're going to want to convert it from a JPEG or a PNG to an SVG. There are free converters online. Just simply type PNG to SVG. And then you're going to save that SVG and you're going to import it. So I'm about to show y'all how, because I need more flowers on here. So I'm going to show y'all how to do it. But look at my screen over here at the measurements that I'm doing for this particular object. You see that the depth I have at 4 millimeters. The size is 27.25 by 27.07 millimeters. I'm using the surface because this is curved, and the operation is modified because I want it to be engraved or embossed or embedded into the object. Cutting it will cut it out, basically. Join will just stick it on there, and it'll still have its own raised parts. Like it'll be like basically printing out a 3D sticker and then just sticking it on there. But I want it to be embedded. So that's why you choose modifier, just like you do with text. Okay, so to get another one, I'm going to select the object, the can holder, and then I'm going to right click, add part, SVG, and then I'm going to choose my SVG. Yes, ChatGPT made me a flower. And now I'm going to use those measurements as before and get this scaled down. And then, let's see. We have it at 27.25 by 27.07. And then we're using the surface. And then I want to, let's see where I want to put this one. All right, put it right there. And then go ahead and hit modifier. And that is how that is. So do what I told y'all on the first half of the video. But here is the official next step, final step, in order for your image to show after you slice it. So what you're going to do, and I got to do this for all of these, but you see how it looks? I already changed it. It's supposed to be black, but you see that it's still like that golden color. That's because it's not really in the system. So you're going to go over here under objects and you're going to highlight each one, and you're going to right click, change type, and you see how we already made it modifier, but now we're going to change it to part, and watch how it changes black. See there? So just to show y'all again, I'm going to select another one. I wish you can like expand this, because this is just, but up and down. Oops. Okay, hold on. What did I do? I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay. All right, so now the next one, change type to part. And that was on the other side. That's why it showed up like that. But it's over there. Next one, which is on the other side. You can tell by how it looks. Change type, part. And I'm going to just go through and do the rest of these and then come back to the slice to show you that this is the correct way to finish up getting your SVGs on your 3D object. Okay, so I have finished up changing them all to parts. And now I'm going to go ahead and slice it. I am so happy I figured this out, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all just don't know. So before it was done correctly, it said it will take 3.5 hours to print. So let's see how much longer. Right. Oh my God. 14 hours. That is the longest ever. I've never printed. The max that I printed something is like 6 hours, 6.5 hours. 14 hours. So the other option, if you were making a design that duplicates itself, you can import them as STLs on another plate, change the color, do what you want to do to them, and then print that plate separately, and then glue the individual pieces onto the main object. However, to me, it will be time consuming if you're getting a lot of orders for that particular item. So those are your options. I know some people are, they're used to printing like 20, their machine printing for like 20 hours when it's come time to like printing those lamps, but it's whatever you want to do. And this is this is the tower. I actually hate this tower, but when it comes to multi-coloring, this helps smooth out your final project when all the uglies get put over here in the tower. So anyway, I just wanted to come in and add this correction to the previous, well, not a correction, but add this addition to the previous video because that was only part of the steps. But this is officially how to get your stuff going. And obviously I have something printing right now, so it's gonna say mine is busy. But now you can see how all the colors are here. Yeah, so that's how that is. I hope this video helped y'all.